you know that with this app you can make up to $200 a day without selling, without promoting any product, without investing a single penny, and without doing any action such as subscribing to someone or downloading something? Hello, today with you is Anonymous PTW, and like I said and later in this video I'll show you an app that you can make up to $200 a day. With this application is absolutely free and you can easily find it on the App Store or the Magazine Play. Your question now is, how will I make money from this application? My answer is that on this application there are many CPA marketing offers. CPA marketing is the abbreviation for cost PR action. For example, this offer pays us $8 for each person who leaves their email. That is, we will take this link and any person who accesses this link and just leaves his email, you will receive $8. But I will show you another method how you can promote this link so that hundreds of thousands of people access it and you'll leave their emails there. So stay tuned until the end because you'll definitely like it. Now that these have been said, subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video to support me in the beginning. So the name of this app is TapMob.io. I'll show you how to do it, from how to create an account on this application and how to choose a good offer. Let's start with creating the account. So after you have downloaded this application, access it. Here you will have to click on Sing Up. The first thing you will have to choose one of these three, from content creator, marketer, affiliates, or other. If you are ever busy with one of these, check it off. But if not, I would advise you to take content creator. Then click on next. The next step will be to enter some of your personal data, and it is desirable that your real data should be there. So I will quickly fill them in. Now that you've reached the last one, to the invitation code, you have to put this code that you see on the screen, 904-905. After completing all these, click on next. That's simple. You'll just have to create a password for your account. After creating the password, click next. Here you will have to add contact information. We will click on this plus here. You can choose any of these. For example, I will choose WhatsApp. Here the username. After that we click on save, and we move on. Here you will have to add an account of any social network, but I would advise you to put the one that has the most followers. For this we click on this plus. Here you choose the social network. After that the correct username on that social network. Here the number of followers. After you have filled everything you give save, and click on next. This is the last step for registration. Here you will have to answer some questions. They are not complicated and it is desirable to be honest. After filling everything you have to tick these points and click submit. Now you will have to wait between 1 and 3 days for the application to be approved and you will give permission. So you will access the application again in about 3 days. You will enter the email and password you used when you registered and your panel should look something like this. But if you waited 3 days and it still hasn't added you, you have to try again to register from another email. So now that we have the account made, let's go to the selection of the offer. For this one, click on Offers. Up here we click on Content Blockers, and we'll have to click up here on this plus, and we start editing. We have to put video in the name. I will continue to clarify this name. The next thing you will need to do is put the directional link. For this we will go to YouTube and search for this YouTube channel, where many videos are posted that are interesting to people, as you can see by the number of views. And from there you will have to choose a video that you think many people will want to watch. Choose a video whose image makes people interested in what happens next or how it will end. I will choose this one because it has many views and makes you click on it and visualize it. Now you will need to copy the link from the selected video to return to the application, and here in the box for links you put it. Now all you have left to do is choose the theme of the screen for people who will fill out the form. There are 4 options here. I will choose this one. Now go ahead and click on save. You need to copy this link because we will need this link further, but this link is also the one that people will click on to fill out the form. So after you copy the link and you put it in your notes, click on save. Now let's move on to the part that is how to get hundreds of thousands of people to fill out the form. Step 1. We copy the link from the selected YouTube video and then we go on this site. YouTube Thumbnail Grabber. This site downloads any thumbnail from YouTube. You just place the link from the selected video and download the image. Step 2 is to go to Canva, and we will choose 1080 by 1080 size. We will put our image here, and we will drag it to the edges. Now an important thing is to right here at Elements, Play Button. You have to choose one of them and put it on the image. After doing this, save the image. Step 3 is to go to Imager.com. This site, and not only this one you can find on my Twitter account. You can find my Twitter account in the description of this video. Let's continue. So on this site millions of people daily look at different interesting images and funny memes. So here we will put our image. For this you will first have to create an account here. After this, up here in the corner you will click on New Post. Here you will have to upload your image. Above the title we will copy the original title from the video on YouTube. Here below we will write like this. Click here to watch. In the direction of this writing we will put the link that I saved in the notes. Or you can even from the application. Now what will happen is that people who see your image will be interested and want to watch it. And below the image it is written, click here to watch. And people will click on our link. See some ads. Fill out a simple form. Here after this they will see the video we promised them they would see. Here we will have $8 or $10 from that person. Now think if 10 people do this you will have $100. But if 100 people do this you will get $1,000. But if you want one more way of traffic you can get it from Pinterest. You create an account here, or the one you already have. And you do exactly that. You download the image here. You put a title, hereafter in the description written like this. Click here to which, and the link on TapMob in the direction of writing. And you can also put the link down there in the link box. And then click on publish, and so you have another way of traffic. This method is one of the easiest to have a passive income because you post once and imagine that you will have regular monthly traffic. Friends, I want to challenge you to try this method and stick with it for a month. And at the end of the month write to me in the comments of this video what result you got. That was all. Don't forget to subscribe and watch this video that appeared here in the corner. With you as Anonymous PTW and see you in next video.